Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful Audi A6 Saloon 2-litre TDI Ultra S Line. Now this vehicle is currently on 59,942 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour Abyss White, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your all LED headlights that light up the road extremely well, giving you great visibility at night. You have your very stylish daytime running lights with those as well. Move around to the side here and you do have your 18-inch alloy wheels. You have your S-Line badge in there on the side, and you also have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. To the rear you do have rear privacy glass, giving nice privacy to the rear, and it adds to the nice styling of the vehicle as well. Take a look inside here. At the rear you do have your black leather seats with nice white contrast stitching. You do also have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do have an armrest there in the centre of the middle seat. You also have your rear air conditioning controls there. You can control the temperature on either side, so rear passengers can travel comfortably at their own preferred temperature on their side of the vehicle. You have your A6 TDI Ultra badge in there on the tailgate. Now let's open up the boot. You do have a very nice amount of space there. You can fit a set of golf clubs in there extremely nicely with some additional room left over. You also have some tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. Up top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Now moving around, let's head inside and take a look at the front here. Here inside you will find your leather multifunction S-Line branded steering wheel. You have a nice metal finish across the doors and onto the dashboard as well. You also have it in your centre console. You do have your front seats here, and you have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You have the S-Line badging embossed in as well. Now that we've had a look around, I am going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi A6 has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating. With the heating you can quickly defrost or demist the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. It's very handy when they're frosted up or it's raining, you can quickly defrost or demist them. You have full electric windows there with your buttons at the bottom for your child locks for either side of the rear doors. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your wiper stalk there behind the steering wheel, and here on the right you do have your volume controls. On the left here you do have your controls for your nice large digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can display all different information on here, such as your miles to the gallon. You can also find your trip computer there, as well as your digital speedometer as well. You can even access additional menus such as your audio, phone and a compass from the navigation. Moving down below here you do have your indicator stalk there behind the steering wheel, and underneath that you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Moving on here, at the top of the dashboard you will find your infotainment screen. It's controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console. You have your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio, and with your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle as well, with a list of stations you have access to. You can also connect your own source of audio to the vehicle. You do have your SD and CD player, and there is also Audi Music interface and your Bluetooth as well. You do have your navigation, so you can be sure never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. You can change the view as well using the scroller to zoom in and out, and you also have your speed limit displayed on there, so you can be sure you're going the correct speed limit on the road you're on. You can see there zooming in and out of the map. You do also have some traffic reports here you can access. You can see of any incidents on the roads or any delays. This is super handy if you're on the go. You can check that there's not going to be any delays on the route you're on. You can alternatively find other routes or plan ahead and brace for the traffic. You do have your Bluetooth phone connectivity here, where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go and keep up to date with whatever you need to. You have your Audi Drive Select here with efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual, which all change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through this. With your individual mode you can set up your own preferences to the engine and the steering as well, with your comfort, auto and dynamic options for those. You can also access some additional vehicle settings here. You can make adjustments to things like your exterior lighting, a steering wheel button, You also have your driver assist features here as well. You can access your speed warning, where you can set up a speed limit that the vehicle will alert you when you start to exceed it, so you can be nice and safe on the roads. You have your parking aid there. You also have your rest recommendation. You can turn it on or off, which will tell you when to take a break from those longer periods of driving. You also have your rain sensor for the rain sensing wipers, which will automatically change speed depending on how heavy the rain is. You have your parking aid there with front and rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it gives you more guidance on how close you are to objects all around the vehicle. Below here you do have your dual zone climate control here for the front, where the driver and passenger can make their own preferred temperature choices. You can sync up to have the same temperature all throughout the vehicle as well. It's very straightforward to use. You can see there you can change the fan speed and direction of airflow. It's all controlled using the two switches there. You can simply select which button you wish to make adjustments to. You can see your buttons there for defrost on the front and rear windscreen, and you can also set automatic fan speed there for either side of the vehicle. Moving on here, you do have your 6-speed manual gear selector there, and you can see your centre console. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A6 Saloon 2.0 TDI Ultra S Line. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.